For over 30 years now, meteorology satellites have improved weather forecasting, and more recently, European remote sensing satellites such as TerraSAR, ERS or Envisat have been monitoring the minute changes on land surfaces. Ocean observers such as the JASON satellites measure sea levels, temperatures and currents, whilst others analyze the changes in composition of our planet's atmosphere. ESA and other space agencies have thus greatly contributed, supported by ground-based observations, to a profound realization that climate change today is one of the most urgent problems the world has to address. The issue is not new. Our past has seen extreme climate upheavals of natural origins, volcanoes, meteorite impacts, and variation stemming even from Earth's orbit around the Sun. But changes induced by mankind today are evidently the most potentially damaging. Overuse of our planet's fossil energy resources, powering the largely unhindered expansion of human activities, is today altering the environment to unprecedented levels. The undisputed global warming of our planet has now prompted doomsday predictions for the life conditions of future generations. Science and space technology must help find solutions. With its appropriately named Living Planet program, the European Space Agency has initiated a series of Earth Explorer missions dedicated to specific issues and fields of research. Gochi, launched last March, is today mapping the tiny variations in the Earth's gravity field, allowing more accurate measurement of the sea levels and the role of the ocean currents transporting heat and water around the planet. Last month, ESA's water mission, SMOS, was orbited with the task of measuring soil moisture and ocean salinity to better understand the water cycle. The third Earth Explorer to be launched next year will be Cryosat-2, whose all-weather microwave radar altimeter will be able to detect the changes in the thickness of the polar ice sheets. Other Earth Explorer missions will follow, Swarm to provide insights into the Earth's interior by measuring its magnetic field, ADM Aeolus to improve our understanding of wind systems on a global scale, and EarthCare to measure the interactions between clouds and aerosols in the atmosphere that play a role in climate regulation. ESA, together with the European Commission, the European Environment Agency and the European Organization for the Exploitation of Meteorological Satellites, has also embarked on the Sentinel missions in the framework of GMES, the Global Monitoring for Environment and Security. These spacecraft will observe the planet's land masses, oceans and atmosphere at a wide variety of wavelengths, furthering science and contributing to operational services, but also supporting in emergencies such as flooding or earthquakes. A new climate change initiative program has also been decided. ESA is to coordinate international efforts to provide long-term satellite observations of different parameters relevant to climate change. These so-called essential climate variables should be available in the coming years. By observing the changing climate from space, ESA is providing the hard evidence and arguments that politicians need for decision-making and action. But as the world's media invest Copenhagen for a crucial summit, there are grave doubts. Is our society collectively ready to foot the bill to implement the measures to preserve our planet? That is the crunch question facing the world's leaders.